Here's a 1986 Ford Thunderbird Turbo Coupe, listed for just $1,000 with 90,000 miles. It's got some upgrades like a big VAM Ranger roller cam and a front-mounted intercooler, not fully installed, plus ported upper and lower intakes. The car is solid, but it's a project for sure. As for the history, the Turbo Coupe from this era featured a turbocharged 2.3-liter engine and was known for blending performance with aerodynamics. It was part of Ford's move toward more tech-forward and fuel-efficient vehicles in the mid-'80s. Located in Wytheville, Virginia, this could be a good find for a project car enthusiast. Next, we have a 1975 Ford Maverick 4-door, listed at $1,800 with just over 21,000 miles. It's in brown inside and out, and according to the seller, it runs and drives well, with lots of new parts and tires. You can drive it home, and it comes with a bill of sale, though the seller can help get the title if needed. They're open to offers or trades too. Now, a bit of history. Ford introduced the Maverick as a compact, affordable car to compete with foreign imports in the early 70s. By 1975, the Maverick had evolved into a simple, reliable option for those looking for basic transportation, and it became a common sight on American roads. If you're near Cosby, Tennessee, this could be a solid, budget-friendly classic. Next, we've got a 1974 Corvette Stingray Coupe for $1,500. This classic sports car has only 59,000 miles and comes with a 350 V8 and 4-speed manual transmission. It's been sitting since 1988, so it's a total restoration project or a parts car. The seller inherited it from their father, and while they don't have much info on it, they do have a clean title in hand. As for some history, the 1974 Corvette Stingray was part of the C3 generation, known for its bold styling and performance. By the mid-70s, the Corvette was starting to feel the effects of new emissions regulations, but it still retained much of its muscle car spirit. Located in Bensalem, Pennsylvania, this could be a great find for someone ready to take on a full restoration. Up next is a 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, listed for $1,200. It's got a running motor and can idle, but the trunk and floor pans need replacing. The body itself is solid and it comes with a clean Tennessee title. The seller is open to trades as well. Historically, the Z28 was the high-performance version of the Camaro, known for its aggressive looks and V8 power. By 1979, emissions regulations had slowed things down a bit, but the Z28 still carried the muscle car legacy. Located in Bethpage, Tennessee, this could be a solid project for any Camaro fan. Here we've got a 1971 Chevrolet El Camino, and it's being offered for $900. At first glance, it's not a runner, but if you're after valuable parts, especially that 12-bolt Posey rear differential, this could be a deal. It's powered by a 350 V8 engine and comes with an automatic transmission, but there's a catch. The front spindles are missing, so you'll need to bring a trailer with a winch or talk to the seller about delivery options. The seller's pretty firm on the $900 price tag, but considering the 12-bolt rear alone is worth that much, it's easy to see why. If you're in Lebanon, Tennessee, and looking for some solid parts or a project, this could be worth checking out. Next up is a 1977 Chevrolet Nova, listed for $1,295. This classic features a bold black exterior with a striking red interior. While the car does turn over, it isn't currently running, though it comes with a lot of new parts. The seller has a clean title in their name, and they're asking $1,295. You'll need to bring a trailer to take it home. Historically, the Chevrolet Nova was known for its affordability and reliability. By 1977, it continued to be a popular choice among drivers who appreciated its straightforward design and solid performance. Located in New Hampton, New York, this Nova could be an intriguing project for any classic car enthusiast. Now, this one's a bit of a project, but for $700, it's a potential goldmine for parts or scrap. This 1969 El Camino SS, finished in blue, still has a few things going for it, even if it's far from complete. There's no title, so that's a heads up if you're looking to fully restore it. The car's missing some major components: no transmission, interior, or steering column. but it does come with a complete disc brake system, which is a valuable find. It's also got an unknown condition 283 engine under the hood, topped with double hump heads. Plus, that classic SS hood is intact, and the car still rolls, though the front tires don't hold air. If you're on the hunt for parts for your own restoration, or even looking for a base to build on, this could be worth checking out. Just make sure to have a trailer ready. Next up is a 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, listed at $1,050. This classic features a striking red exterior and a tan interior. It comes with an automatic transmission and a V8 350 engine, but the motor is currently seized. The vehicle has rust issues and a bad frame, and it has been sitting for years. It will need to be trailered as it doesn't roll, but the seller can help with loading. They are not interested in trades and have a clean title for the car. Historically, the Z28 was Chevrolet's high-performance model of the Camaro, celebrated for its sporty design and powerful engine. By 1978, while emissions regulations had toned down its muscle, the Z28 still held its reputation as a classic American muscle car. Located in Excelsior Springs, Missouri, this Z28 could be a promising project for those interested in restoration or parts. Up next is a 1974 Dodge D150 regular cab long bed, listed for $1,000. This classic truck comes in a bright yellow with a gray interior. It has been driven 87,956 miles and features a manual transmission. According to the seller, it's a complete truck with a V8 engine and needs some tuning but is still running. Historically, the Dodge D150 was part of Dodge's D-Series pickup trucks, known for their durability and straightforward design. The 1974 model continued this tradition with a rugged build and practical features. Located in Gordon, Nebraska, this truck could be an excellent project for anyone looking to restore a classic or just enjoy a reliable vintage ride. Next up is a 1970 Cadillac Bouma, listed for $800. This classic coupe is driven 200,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. The car is currently on a jack with the front tire off because the front brakes need replacement. The seller mentions that the car just sits and collects dust and they want it gone ASAP. Please note that there is no title for this vehicle and it's first come, first serve, no holds. Historically, the Cadillac Bouma was known for its luxury and elegance, embodying the high standards of Cadillac's design and comfort. By 1970, it was a symbol of sophistication with its spacious interior and smooth ride. Located in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, this Cadillac Bouma could be a potential project or parts car for someone looking for a classic with a touch of luxury. Next up is a 1965 Buick Skylark coupe, listed for $1,500. This classic two-door coupe has been driven 100,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. The car comes in a brown exterior and interior color scheme. It has some rust on the rear quarters, which is expected for a vehicle of its age. The seller describes it as a roller with a good title and is open to best offers. Historically, the Buick Skylark was part of Buick's line of intermediate cars, known for its stylish design and solid performance. By 1965, it continued to embody the classic American muscle and elegance that Buick was known for. Located in Tell City, Indiana, this Skylark could be a great project for classic car enthusiasts or those looking for a vintage car with potential.